In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review on Fresha with our step-by-step 2025 tutorial. If you've just completed a fantastic salon experience or perhaps an appointment that left you wanting more, sharing your thoughts through a review can really help others in the community make informed decisions. Let's go through the process together, making sure it's as straightforward as possible. First, to get started, you'll need to open up Fresha. You can do this through the Fresha mobile app, whether you're an iOS or Android user, or you can opt for the Fresha website by navigating your favorite web browser to view.fresha.com. Once there, log into your account to access all your booked services and appointments. It's essential as reviewing a service requires you to be logged into your profile. Once you're on Fresha, head over to your profile or account section. Here, you'll find everything from your personal details to your booking history. Now, go to Bookings or My Appointments. This area stores all the services you've scheduled and completed, serving as a record so you can easily find and review them later. The next step is to locate the specific service or appointment that you wish to review. A quick reminder here, you can only review services you've actually booked and completed, ensuring the feedback provided is legitimate and valuable to both the service provider and future customers. Now that you've found your completed appointment, look for the option to either leave a review or rate this service next to it. Tap on that and the reviewing process will begin. You'll be prompted to choose a star rating, typically ranging from 1 to 5 stars. Take a moment to reflect on your experience and select the rating that accurately represents it. Next, compose your comments. This is where you can elaborate on specifics such as the quality of service you received, the professionalism of the staff, the cleanliness and ambiance of the establishment, or any other pertinent details that future customers might find helpful. It's your opportunity to share your story and potentially highlight specific elements that stood out to you. Before you're all done, double check your rating and comments. Add any photos if you'd like to provide more context to your review. Once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and tap Submit or Post Review. Your thoughtful feedback will then appear on the provider's profile for others to see, helping them in their decision-making process. And that's it. By taking these simple steps, you've contributed to a more informed and connected community on Fresha. Thank you for watching and happy reviewing.